And welcome back. So breezy southerly winds became windy as we made our way through the day today. But for most of the daylight hours, we had a good amount of sunshine. Here's our tower cam time lapse. Now, as we made our way through later on to the afternoon, more clouds made their way in and we turned mostly cloudy, but still stayed mainly dry. Here's a look at the high temperatures. So we did make it to 70 at North Platte, into the upper 60s at Ogallala, Imperial, Broken Bow, Lexington, upper 60s also at Thedford and McCook, and Valentine with a high of 73 degrees. Here's a look at the current temperatures. So we have a good amount of cloud cover, still that southerly wind. So we are staying pretty warm into the mid to upper 50s in most locations, but Valentine's still the warm spot, currently 64 degrees. We continue to have that southerly wind. It has died down a little since earlier this evening, but we still have those wind speeds sustained between 15 and 25 miles per hour, and some gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour. So let's take a look at our weather alerts. Now, because of the warm conditions, and we're going to keep the wind as we go through the next few days, we have a red flag warning for the entire viewing area for extreme fire danger from noon to 10 p.m. Central Time as we go through your Tuesday. Now let's take a look at the Doppler radar. Lots of cloud cover across the region. Now we do have some light rain or even some drizzles into the Panhandle and now starting to move into our viewing area. So if you're from Hyannis out toward the Arthur area, could have some sprinkles. Most of this, it looks like, is going to dry out before it gets to our highly populated cities, but we do have another chance of some light rain showers tomorrow. High pressure is working its way out. We had that strong southerly flow, nice warm sector setting up for us for one day only today, because we do have this cold front right behind us. It's going to flip the wind to more of a northwesterly direction, and it could spark off some showers, but the wind's going to be the main story. Let's take a look at what we have in terms of the alerts for winds. Now, we're still in a high wind watch. Now, it does go from Wednesday morning all the way until Thursday evening, so it looks like this is going to be a long duration event, the windy conditions between now and the day on Thursday. So let's take a look at what to expect for those high winds for tomorrow. The lighter pink shading is 40 to 50 miles per hour, darker pink is 50 to 60, and if you're from North Platte, points off to the west into portions of southeastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, and the Panhandle, we do have possibilities for 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, maybe even closer to 70 mile per hour gusts as we make our way through the day on Wednesday. The bullseye is right over us in central Nebraska, getting up into central South Dakota for those 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, but the extent of the wind is region-wide, with a very large area of the central U.S. reporting at least 40 to 50 mile per hour winds, so this is going to be a strong system. So mainly cloudy skies during the overnight with those strong southerly winds. We will have low temperatures in the mid to upper 40s with the green on the map, maybe some rain shower activity going through your Tuesday. Otherwise, partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures are going to be on their way down, falling back through the mid to upper 50s as the wind flips around to more of a strong northwesterly direction. Now, Wednesday morning, there could be some rain or even some snow showers in the Sandhills or near Valentine, but with that strong northwesterly wind, they should dry up before they hit the I-80 corridor, points off to the south. But cooler air continues to filter in with highs only into the lower 50s as we go through the day on Wednesday, and then a high of only 49 for Thursday as we still keep windy conditions, but back to mostly sunny skies. Then up to 58 on Friday. The winds die down. Lots of sunshine for the weekend. Mid-70s Saturday and Sunday, and back to the mid-60s on Monday with partly cloudy skies. Melanie?
Well, that is quite the forecast. Thank you so much, Justin.
Yep.
There were a sighting this past weekend in central Nebraska. Viewer Adam Schultz took this picture of the endangered whooping crane Saturday near Doniphan. The